Meaning of facetiously.
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 Facetiously. Facetiously means to say or do something in a joking, playful, or humorous way that is not meant to be taken seriously. The word is often used to describe remarks that are intended to be amusing rather than serious. For example, if someone says "I'm allergic to work" when asked about their job, they are speaking facetiously. Using humor in this way can be entertaining, but it can also cause confusion or offense if the listener takes the remarks too seriously. In short, facetious behavior is playful and lighthearted, but should be used with care.